Hi, Josh. How's it going?
Hey, Emily. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I was just thinking about how many friends I've made in school over the years.
Same here. It's interesting how friendships change as you move through different school levels.
Yeah, speaking of school levels, can you believe how different elementary, middle, and high school were?
Definitely. In elementary school, we were so young and carefree. Everyone was friends with everyone.
True. I remember playing on the playground and doing group projects where we barely cared who we were paired with. What about middle school?
Middle school was a bit different. Everyone started forming smaller friend groups and things got more awkward.
I agree. Plus, middle school teachers were stricter, but they also helped us become more independent.
Right. Some teachers were super strict, but others were really fun. I remember my history teacher made every class feel like a storytelling session.
That sounds awesome. My favorite middle school teacher was my science teacher. She made experiments so exciting.
What about high school? Did you make a lot of new friends when you started?
I did. High school was a fresh start for me. I met friends from other middle schools who came to the same high school.
Me too. It was fun to meet new people, but I also stayed close to my old friends. Did you ever have a teacher who made a big impact on you in high school?
Yes, my English teacher. She really encouraged me to write and express myself. What about you?
My math teacher. He was tough, but he really believed in us. He stayed after school to help anyone who needed extra time.
That's amazing. It's great when teachers go the extra mile.
Absolutely. By the way, have you noticed how in the US, schools use a different naming system than other countries?
Yeah, elementary school is from grades 1 to 5, middle school is grades 6 to 8, and high school is grades 9 to 12.
And after high school, we either go to college or university, or some people take a gap year.
True. I like how flexible the system is. It allows us to choose our own path.
Speaking of flexibility, did you ever switch schools?
No, I've always stayed in the same district. What about you?
I switched schools in 8th grade. It was tough at first, but I ended up making great friends.
That's cool. It must have been a big change. Were the teachers different at the new school?
A little bit. The new teachers were stricter, but they also pushed me to do my best.
It's funny how teachers' styles can be so different. Some are strict, and others are more laid back.
True, but I appreciate all of them. They'd helped me grow in different ways.
Same here. And now, in high school, I feel like we're better at making friends because we've gone through so many stages.
Yeah, it's like we've learned how to be more open and find common ground with different people.
Exactly. Well, it was great talking to you, Josh.
You too, Emily. Let's catch up again soon.
Definitely. See you later.
Bye!